Time for an accuracy test for the PSM45. Let's see if this thing's any good. So these should be pretty easy to hit. I'm gonna go for the cans over there. With every other airsoft or BB gun, that's an easy shot. Two for one. That one went straight through. And I'm out. Well, I would say that it's not bad, but it's not that consistent. The shots are kind of left, up, left, right, left, down, and it's just not really, I would say for 50 bucks what you're paying for this, I think you could get a better airsoft pistol or maybe a rifle of some kind, but it's not bad. PSM45. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Later.